Welcome back to my channel again, everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the shoulder length passion twist. And this is the hair that we will be using, and I will be sure to link everything in the description box below.
And I'm really excited because it's my first time getting my hair done since quarantine started, so I'll be back.
So this is her hair, all freshly washed and conditioned and blown out, and we're getting ready to get started. So what you want to do is just section off the back part of the hair straight across, as neat as you can get it. And once you have your section, you will then begin to take larger block sections. So I just used a little bit of styling gel so that the base can be very neat, and then I took 2 rubber bands and I secured it at the base because we're going to be doing the rubber band method. So this is how it should look. And then once you do the first section, you want to go in between that block section so that we can do a brick lay pattern. And you just go in between every block section. So again, we are doing the brick lay pattern. You don't want to line the parts up vertically with each other, because then you're going to see straight through your twists. You want to be able to lay this brick pattern so that your twists won't look so uniform. And again, I'm just repeating the same steps as we did in the first row. And you will continue all the way out through the head. And once you're finished, you should have something just like this. So I took the hair and I cut it in half because it came very long, and I took and I split each individual side in half, and then I used a total of 4 of those pieces for one twist. So you will want to secure the hair around your client's hair and begin the twist as a braid, and make sure you braid all the way down past a little bit past her natural hair, maybe like 1.5 inches, and then you take her hair, secure it to the one side of the weave hair, and you twist it around. Keep twisting it around so that it's really secure, and then you begin your twist like that. And if the hair gets a little bit dry, just put a little bit of styling gel on it, because that will make sure that the hair will stay locked inside the twist. So I twist in the opposite direction and bring it over, twist in the opposite direction, bring it over, and you just continue all the way down. Now for the ends, I secure it by plaiting a small braid at the end, just so it will not come out or unravel. And as I'm braiding, you'll see that it won't even look like a braid. The braid actually starts to form into a twist, and you can see it right here. It looks like a twist, but it's actually a braid. So I took that small fine piece of hair that's hanging, and I wrapped it around the braid just to ensure that I get added security so her twist will not come out. So this is just a second demonstration. I'm not going to talk through this one. You can just watch and see. And I apologize for the lighting. My ring light was up a little bit too bright, but I think you can see what I was doing. And this is how the braid should look on the end. And this is how all the twists, once completed, should look on the ends. So now what I did was take the white perm rods and I rolled it, because we're going to be dipping that in boiling hot water so that it could be a little curly on the ends like a passion twist. But you don't want to roll it too tight, because you don't want the curls to come out super tight. So here's the boiling hot water. Please be careful. Make sure you drape your customer or your client with a towel, and just so that they won't, none of the hot water will drip on them. I've been doing this for so long, I kind of get the gist of it. and then you will unravel once you're all done. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.